Here we are, one more time, at a jackrabbit boating access on Lake Chatuge. This is near Hiawassee, and there's a boat ramp here, and it's pretty afternoon. It's actually about 40 degrees, but in fact, it feels pretty good because it's sheltered by the trees. There's no wind blowing here. I was hoping to come out here and see if we could see a little bit of sunset, but the sun's actually to the south of us. So yeah, it's not going to get it. Not going to happen. But I thought, you know what? It's still nice to walk out here on the boat ramp and look into the water, see the reflections. Hear the rocking. It's rocking a little bit because we're out here on the floating part. Pretty afternoon. This would be a little different in the summertime. Be lots of boats around here going in and out, going to their fishing spots on the lake, or for whatever, maybe they do some water skiing, who knows. But yeah. Isn't this cool? That's a floating dock there. The higher the water, the deeper it is, and the dock floats up higher. So you can walk your boat or back your boat down into here and be right next to the dock whenever you're doing your thing. It's kind of muddy. If you like this sort of thing, don't forget to subscribe. You subscribe and watch some more videos, and I can make more videos. Look at that. Isn't that pretty?